Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and first of all, I would like to wish all of you a very wonderful and blessed new year, and I wish you all the very best. And secondly, today I'm going to post a very interesting video. Basically, this is a very interesting video and it was pending for so long. And this is all about setting up your email server under 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to set up a fully functional working email server under 5 minutes. You can use it for email marketing. You can use it for your official purposes. You can use it for anything, and it's going to be functional, and I'm going to show you. However, before I start it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends and family, and also hit the like button if you like my videos, and also the bell notification so you don't miss any notifications for my future videos. So without further ado, let's start. And before we start this video, I have some prerequisites. First thing is we should have a functional, of course, system. And I'm going to use Amazon EC2 instance. I have already installed CentOS Minimal on my EC2 instance. And if you don't have Amazon, you can use your ordinary machine and we can make it an email server. Okay, and you can see I have a public IP over here and I have a private IP. If you don't know how to set up EC2 instance, please look at my other videos where I have shown how easy it is to set up EC2 instance in Amazon. Second thing, which is very important, is that you should have a domain, a working domain. For example, I have itpings.com and I use name.com as my provider. They are really good. I'm not affiliated with name.com, guys, but the services they provide is really good and it's very simple actually. So anyway, you can see that my domain is pointing to 3.239.119.68. This is the IP address of this is the external IP address of my EC2 instance. Also mail.itpings.com, this is the host name and the address it's pointing to is the same IP address. Then this is also, you can create a CNAME, but I have created an address www.itpings.com. It's also pointing to the same IP address, and then itpings.com itself, like this is the MX record, and itpings.com itself is pointing to this mail.itpings.com, and of course mail.itpings.com is pointing to 3.239.119.68. And if you have difficulties understanding how the DNS works, please look at my video where I have explained how DNS system works. So you can find it in the playlist or just search for Linux King DNS explanations. Okay, so now let's start. I have already connected my machine to EC2 instance. Over here you can see the IP address is 10.1.198. And how we are going to set up a fully functional email under 5 minutes, I have created a script. So let me take you there. And I will share you this script. And guys, you can download this script from the description below. It's going to be from my website. Okay, so the script is in my username and it's called emailserver.sh. And also you guys are, like, I give you all the permission if you would like to change the script or if you want to make it in like much better, because this is just version 1 and you can like change it as per your liking. So I have no problem with that. Alright guys, so this script will be available from my website techo.net. Anyway, so what we are going to do, and I just want to show you that no service is running right now. There's nothing, it's a clean system. So you can see that if we go to systemctl status postfix, it's not available. Dovecot, not available. So systemctl httpd status or status http, sorry about that. So you can see that no services are installed. Even I have not installed firewall as well. Systemctl status firewall. So you can see service could not be found. Okay, perfect. So now what we are going to do is we are going to check the time right now. As you can see, it's as per the machine, it's 7:52. So I'm going to start my script and let's see how much time it's going to take. And you can see that one more thing I would like to share. It's like it's not working. You can see connection refused, nothing is working. Okay, perfect. So let's start again. Time. It's 7:52. All right. Here we go. So it's installing each and everything by itself. Okay, it's starting. Okay, now it's asking you what is the, please enter your host name. Okay, and the host name is, of course, it's mail.itpings.com. Yes, this is our host name. Please enter the name of your domain, and we know that it's itpings.com. You can enter as per your own domain. You entered itpings.com. Is it correct? Yes, it is. Okay, what is the network? Network is 10. We need to give internal network of Amazon. And the subnet mask is 24. Is that correct? Yes. And now just sit back and relax, and now the script will do everything for you. And by the way, it's going to install PHP 7.4, the latest PHP, and the webmail which we are going to use is rain.loop. Rain.loop, and let's see. And here we have it. It just installed everything under like in 1 minute, by the way. And voila, there we have it. It's a working email server right now. Okay, now first thing for Rain.loop, what you need to do is you need to go to admin panel. You can log in with the user admin, and the password is 12345. Okay, once you are in here, what you need to do, first thing you need to change the password. Current password 12345, and new password you can change as per your liking. Repeat the password. Okay, perfect. Now, second thing what you need to do is go to domains, add a domain. My domain is at pings.com, and like IMAP server or mail server is going to be mail.itpings. It's the host name actually. So mail.itpings.com. This is not a secure server right now, but we need to use SSL if you want to receive emails or send emails. Yes, I'm going to use short name, for example, user@domain.com. For here, I'm not going to check secure, but I just want to make sure that you use the short name. Let's test. And perfect, we have green. So this is perfect, so good. Okay, add, click on add. Once you have, now you can see that your domain is available. What's next? What we are going to do is we need to check if we have a user. Okay, first thing guys, I need to check if SE Linux is enabled because I have added everything to my script, but just in case. So we are going to get enforce, and we can see that SE Linux is disabled. And what about firewall D? So system, before firewall D was not available, systemctl status firewall, and perfect, it's running. And what about firewall scmd --list all? Okay, so perfect, everything is added automatically. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a user. So user add, and I am going to call it itpings. Perfect, password itpings, and I'm going to give it a very simple password, abc123 abc123. Okay, now let's go to our, so this was the admin. I'm going to log out from this, and now you can see I'm out of it. Now I'm just going to remove this admin and I'm going to itpings.com only. Okay, over here, the username is itpings.com, itpings, and at itpings.com. And password was abc123. Perfect. Guys, we are in our webmail. So what we are going to do is we are going to send a new message, and for that I have created a new Gmail account, and it's, please don't spam. I know you guys won't, but it's called Linux Cloud 77, and let's see what will happen. So I'm going to send a new message to Linux Cloud 77 at gmail.com, and this is testing from our new mail server. Hey, sup, admin here. Okay, keeping our fingers crossed, and sent. Let's go to send. Okay, the message is sent. I hope everything is well. Let's go to our, okay, there's an error. So what's the error? I'm sorry to have you informed that message could not be host. I said our system is that this message likely unselected mail. Okay, because this Gmail sometimes stops or spams your message, put it like add it to the spam. So that's why if I get at least more than 1,000 or 10,000 likes, then I'm going to set up or create a mail server, fully functional SSL email server with certificates, with DKIM, and with SPF records. So, but at the moment, I'm not going to do this. But anyway, let's go to our Gmail and check if the mail is there, it's received or not. So, no, it's not. So let's try it again. If Gmail fails, then I need to create another email account on some other provider, and we will check if it works there. Okay. Alright guys, so you know what, I'm going to log into my other Proton mail, and let's see, because it's I think it's spamming right now here. Gmail is not accepting our email. So just let me just give me a second and I'll be back once I'm in my Proton mail. Alright guys, so I have like here's my Proton email address, and it's Avenger 2020. So I'm going to send a message now to my Proton mail. So it's Avenger 2020 at protonmail.com. Testing from or email server, new mail server. And this is also going to go into spam. However, testing from email server. Okay, now let's send. And here we have it. Like this is the mail I sent for like the testing purpose. Okay. Now if I go to my Proton mail, and here we have it. Perfect. And it came to inbox. Wow. So perfect. So you can see it's testing from new mail server, and the user it pings at itpings.com. Perfect. So there you have it. It's mail server under 5 minutes, and rather it was really fast. It was in 1 minute, by the way. So you can use this email for email marketing as well. You can see like other than Gmail, it's going to inbox most of the time. However, if I get more than 10,000 likes, I'm going to I'm going to set up a fully functional email server for email marketing as well. Okay, one more thing guys, before I stop my video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out from this itpings user, and let's create another user just in case, just to test. All right guys, so I'm back in our machine. So what we need to do is we need to create another user. Let's add user, let's call it Avenger again, Avenger. Okay, and then sorry about that, sudo user add, let's add Superman. By the way, user add Superman. Password for Superman is going to be super 121. Super 121. All right, now what we need to do is we need to log in with, this time with Superman at itpings.com with the password of super 121. Okay, perfect. We have logged in. Now what we are going to do is we are going to send a new message to Avengers from Superman. Avenger 2020 at protonmail.com from DC. Sup. Okay. Avenger 2020 at protonmail.com. Send. And I hope it will land into their inbox again. Okay, we are in our inbox. Perfect. From DC, here we have it, and I'm going to reply now. So let's reply. Hey DC, we are all good. Send. Okay, message is sent. Let's go to our inbox, and there we have it. Perfect. So as you can see, we have created a fully functional email server, and I remember like this was a request from a lot of my subscribers. So I have fulfilled your requirements, your request, and thank you for being my subscriber, and I hope you like this video. Again guys, if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss my notifications. Thank you very much again, and see you in our next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.